Hello everyone, welcome back to sqadia.com. Today let's talk about a 60-year-old patient named Mr. Henry who was complaining of pain in his joints that is compromising his daily activities like walking, stretching and other movements. Additionally, Mr. Henry mentioned about his diet that he is fond of meat and eat red meat and seafood mostly. Also takes 3 to 4 glasses of alcohol every day. On investigation, it was revealed that he has increased uric acid levels, means hyperuricemia. It pointed towards a condition known as gout. Upon knowing Mr. Henry's condition, doctor came up with the most reliable solution to his gouty condition and prescribed him allopurinol. So you must be wondering why allopurinol out of all these anti-rheumatic agents. Stay with us because we will be discussing precisely why this drug is said to be a drug of choice when treating chronic gouty attacks. Allopurinol is a xanthine oxidase inhibitor, which obviously means that it will block the xanthine oxidase enzyme. But where is xanthine oxidase present? Let's find this out. Normally, our body has hypoxanthine, which converts into xanthine and then into uric acid with the help of enzyme named as xanthine oxidase. This is actually the last 2 steps of purine catabolism. You can see in this picture. Now let's dive into our main topic today and know more about allopurinol drug and learn how it works in our body and in what ways it helps Mr. Henry. Allopurinol has an active metabolite that is named as oxypurinol. If we see its structural difference, it has an additional keto group. Allopurinol and oxypurinol both act on enzyme xanthine oxidase. That is why they belong to a class of xanthine oxidase inhibitors. Allopurinol is a competitive inhibitor of xanthine oxidase, whereas oxypurinol is a non-competitive inhibitor. You guys must be wondering here that after xanthine oxidase inhibition, how uric acid levels are decreased. Well, allopurinol after the inhibition of xanthine oxidase block uric acid synthesis and increase the level of hypoxanthine and xanthine in the body. Hypoxanthine and xanthine are more water soluble than uric acid, thus easily excreted out of Mr. Henry's body. Allopurinol is the first-line drug for controlling uric acid levels to decrease the frequency and severity of painful gouty attacks. It is not recommended in acute attacks. Important point here to note that allopurinol has no analgesic, no anti-inflammatory or uricosuric action. It means increasing the excretion of uric acid. It is because it does not focus on the uric acid excretion, rather act on the synthesis and inhibit the process. That's all for now. You can learn more about this drug, its pharmacokinetics, dosage, side effect, interactions, contraindications in our next upcoming videos. So keep watching sqadia.com.